Shauna. Okay, so these things right here, you'll end up having to use stuff like this a lot. This is packaging for your documents. Let me show you right here. There's these, you know, the soft plasticky kind. Then there's the actual folder envelope style kind. You'll probably use more of these than anything, but when you send off your documents, okay, you got a signing, you went to the signer, had them sign the paperwork, you notarized the paperwork, then now it's time to send off back to the company who hired you. You'll be sending them off in things like this right here. And you're like, well, where do I get those? Do I have to pay for those? Do I have to pay to ship these things back to them? No, you never have to pay for shipping. When sending off your documents, you will never have to pay to ship out the documents. It's their documents. Why would I have to pay for something that they want? No. They will give you shipping labels. They will email you. When they email you the document to bring to the signer, they will also email you a shipping label, which will be paid for. It will come like, basically, you'll print out the shipping label. You'll stick it in a plastic. I need to go get some more. But you'll stick it in the little plastic siding that would go on here. It'll be a little see-through bag. You stick it. I'll put a picture right there. It'll look like that. And you take it to FedEx, or sometimes they'll like you to use UPS. UPS is, I wouldn't say UPS is trash, but you know, FedEx is better, hands down. And then you'll send it off. Now you're like, well, where do I get these? And how much these cost? First off, these are free. Never let somebody charge you for these. If somebody tries to charge you for these, you don't be fooled, don't be scammed. This stuff is free. I would say it's easier for you to actually go to a FedEx store or UPS store. They both, FedEx and UPS. Sometimes you'll use a local, whatever, like if you're in a very like country area, maybe you guys don't have FedEx or UPS, you'll use your local whatever mailing store, but even them should be free. But if I encourage you to actually go to a FedEx or UPS store and just get some of these, you'll be like, hey, they should be off like by the door, off to the side in like a little area, and you just grab some. They won't stop you. If you like worried about it, you'll be like, hey, can I have some of these? And they'll be like, yeah, it's yours. Grab you some. I encourage you to go to actual FedEx store or UPS store to get it because it's quicker. But you can also order them online. You don't have to go physically into the store and get these. I'm going to show you really quick. The link is down below to get directly to this website. But I'm going to go in and show you real quick how to get these things, these envelopes or whatever. So here you see I'm on the FedEx website. Again, you see it says order free. Yes, it's free. So I'm going to go here and they're going to sign up. So first things first, they're going to be like, hey, you're new. Sign up with us. Fine. Sign up. Okay, I'm gonna just put in some random information right here. For some reason I've used Jane Smith so often that it just automatically fills this random baloney. Now once you put in the contact information and press agree, you should get this screen. If you don't get this screen, go back to the home page. You go to profile, and then on the side you'll see something that says account manager. You click account manager. You bring up this screen, add an account. And then you'll see this, what I was trying to show you. Okay, so it says, is this a business account? Do you want to add your card information? So you don't have to. If you like, the card information is say if you ever purchase something on the website. You have no plans to actually purchase anything off the website, so you could go ahead and put your card information, blah blah blah. If you don't want to do this whole route, registering with FedEx and all that stuff, putting your card information, then don't worry about it. Just actually go into the store. That's the reason why I said it's better just to go into the store versus doing it like this, because it takes longer to like put your information, create an account and all that stuff. And then also when you do order, it takes like 1 to 3 days for them to actually receive the shipping envelopes or whatever. And you might get an assignment and you might need it right then and right there. That's the reason why I say just go into the store. If you decide to keep going through this route, it'll bring up this screen right here. Now in this screen right here, you'll see all the different packagings that you can then like basically order. They do have a cap limit. You can also do this with UPS. UPS is not as hard to do as FedEx. They don't require all this extra information. Just sign in, order, dot. Yeah, you can pick of these which ones you want to receive. Now again, like I said, I'm not a big fan of ordering them online. When I drop off some loan signings at a FedEx to be sent out, I go ahead and grab me a couple more of the envelopes as I leave. So that's how I roll. But if you want to take the laser out and just have them shipped to you, there you go. Yep, and that's about it. Now you also want to make sure you get the right packaging size. So say these say small packs. These small packs tend to only hold a letter size. So letter size like that, if you can see, it's a bit light, but it only holds like letter size documents like this. Now they do have these kind also. I need to go get some more, but they have those on the large side. And then you'll also see like these right here, the larger ones, where these can actually hold these size documents. This is the legal size, which is 8 by 14. Now here's the thing, like when you get assignments to go do loan signings, they'll tend to tell you what kind of packaging, because some people like some signing companies like the cardboard style, and then some like the softer plastic style. Sometimes they specify, sometimes they don't. It's always best to do this plastic style because it's waterproof, but I keep everything on me just in case. That's all for this video. Like I said, go into the store, get you some, and then go about your business. Thanks for watching. I'm outie.